Alright, so I just wanted to give a quick little update to the channel and let you guys know where the hell have I been? Why haven't I done a video in a while? And why won't I be doing a video for another couple of weeks? So I am super busy right now. I know I'm always saying I'm super busy because I am. I always have too much stuff going on. But my wife just had a relatively major abdominal surgery, so she's got like a 6 week recovery on that. So I probably won't be doing another video for at least another 2 or 3 weeks, just because I'm taking care of everything right now at the house. Plus, I still have other things going on, so I really just don't have the time to make and edit videos. So I just wanted to do a really quick little update here and let y'all know what's going on because I really just haven't said anything. I just disappeared. So this is literally my first time even coming out to the office since Wednesday, and it's now Saturday. So yeah, I just wanted to do a quick little update here and let you guys know what's going on. I do have like a bunch of really interesting stuff coming up, so don't like unsubscribe and go away now that I'm not going to be here. I have a little project that I'm working on. Somebody else's. It's really somebody else's project, but it's a little. It's not focusing in here. I'll bring it over here closer to me. Pogo Pin for programming your EPROMs there, so that way you don't have to use those god awful clips. Somebody has written some software that's going to let us program these instrument clusters with one of these cheap little dongles. So I'm going to show that off here soon. This guy is going to be going into a circuit board here soon. I know this looks very similar to the last iteration of this, but this is an STM32. This is a CAN transceiver, so it is CAN bus. We have a different H bridge over here that's a whole lot more energy efficient. And I swapped between all the different motors just to make sure they all work correctly. And it's that way if somebody decides to use something other than an X27. So yeah, I've gone through everything. This one I'm done testing on it. I've been drawing out the only thing I've really been working on since my wife's surgery is this project because I can take my laptop in the house and just sit there and draw it out in KiCad. I wanted to do a video of drawing it out in KiCad or KeyCAD, however you want to say it. I think the correct pronunciation is KeyCAD. So, yeah, I wanted to do a video on that. I'm not going to be able to do a video on that, though, because with my laptop and doing it in the house and stuff, I really just can't record doing it. But I will do a video here in the future using KeyCAD. I think I am going to make my own version of, I don't see it sitting around, just one of those USB to the USB to CAN, not USB to CAN, USB to UART connectors, yeah, adapters, just because that'd be a pretty simple project. We can use like an MCP chip in there, or so a micro brand microchip on there instead of using the FTDI chip, just to do something a little different. There's also some other ones. We could actually probably use a CH341 alpha on there because that one's also capable of doing UART if I'm not mistaken. So there's a couple of different ways we could run this project. So that would be a pretty easy one to do a circuit board on. So that might be another future video there. But yeah, so I have a ton of projects coming up, a ton of stuff to do on the channel. I really don't have a lot to do with these guys though, because I think I feel like I've shown everything. I don't feel like there's anything else I can show on here. So yeah, the 99 to 02. So I mean this one's 03 to 07, sorry. So the 03 to 07's pretty much done unless y'all can think of something you want to see a video on. The 99 to 02's, they're definitely there's nothing else I can do a video on them. So yeah, if y'all think of stuff that y'all want videos on, comment down below stuff, but it'll be a while till I'm getting to it's really the point. So before I end the video, I did want to mention a couple other things. So because I am inside in the house with the kids, I still have my phone and laptop with me, so I am on social media. You'll see me in the Facebook group. So if you have questions and stuff, join the Facebook group. It's the Automotive Electronics Repair Technicians. Link will be down in the description there, and more than happy to try to talk. I may not be able to answer very many questions directly, but there's a ton of other members in there with a ton of knowledge and stuff. Like Raul is in the group. He's the one that designed this, and Mike is in the group. He's the guy that's writing the software for this. Um, so yeah, I mean, there's there's way more knowledge in the group than I have. It's not all in my head. These guys probably know far more than I do on a lot of these subjects. So definitely check out the Facebook group if you guys have questions you want answered, or if you have ideas, stuff like that. It's a whole lot better uh, to be able to talk from the Facebook group than it is in the comment section of YouTube, because most of you guys don't have notifications turned on. So when I reply to your message, like you ask a question and I reply to it, I never hear back again. You know, I'll get, oh, I have this problem with this, but you don't give any of the details I need. So I'll ask, well, what's the year and model on it, to try to answer the question, and I'll never get a reply from you. I had this problem with this technician, and I'll be like, can you give more details on it, and never hear back. So definitely try the Facebook group, because I don't think it's really because y'all are so lazy you don't want to reply. It's that y'all aren't getting the notification that you even got a reply. So try the Facebook group. Definitely easier to be able to talk back and forth, and stuff like that. So I need to get back to taking care of the family, taking care of the kids. But I hope to see you guys here in a few weeks when I start doing videos again. So just bear with me. It'll just be a little while. So glad you watched the video, and I'll see you guys in the next one.